Okay, so this is my final project for my MS3 322 final project part 2, and I've already created the repo page. Like this is the HTML page, and we can see the jQuery connection and like some specific things of this page, and also I built the JavaScript page and also the jQuery, and I think it's going already connecting. So I'm going to show you my key API key. So at this time I searched for the Spider-Man, and this is something called like for the Spider-Man. This is okay. This is the program that you set in your video, and I think it's a great one because we can see the just specific going to you going to present a very good view for something like this kind of a lot of words or code. So for the repo page, so I'm going to test it if it's connects for Spider-Man. Okay, so this is something like for the Spider-Man. I may just show you videos, and I'm going to make this one. So this is going to be stuff zero. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. So this is only one. I'm going to look up this. Oh, it's Italian Spider-Man. So I think it's going to be connecting. So this is my part 2. Thank you.